Welcome to Syno Manager. In this guide, we'll walk you through setting up the app, connecting to your Synology network-attached storage, and exploring the key features that make monitoring your network-attached storage a breeze. Whether you have a DS920 Plus, a DS1621, or any other Synology model, Syno Manager works with them all. When you first open Syno Manager, you'll see the Network-Attached Storage Manager screen. This is where all your configured network-attached storage devices are listed. To get started, tap the Add Network-Attached Storage button at the bottom. You'll need three things: your network-attached storage IP address or hostname, the DSM port, usually 5000 for HTTP or 5001 for HTTPS, and your DSM login credentials. The app supports two-factor authentication, so if you have OTP enabled on your account, you'll be prompted for your code during login. Once connected, you're taken to the main dashboard. This is your command center. At the top, the status header shows your network-attached storage model, DSM firmware version, and overall health status. A green healthy badge means everything is operating normally. If there are any issues, like a drive running hot or a volume nearly full, you'll see a yellow warning badge with specific reasons listed below it. Below the header, for compact indicators give you the essentials at a glance. Temperature shows the internal system temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, your choice. Cooling status tells you if the fans are running normally. Sessions shows how many active connections are currently accessing your network-attached storage. And uptime tells you how long the system has been running since the last restart. On this example, 14 days and 6 hours. The system card is the centerpiece of the dashboard. Two animated circular gauges display real-time CPU and RAM utilization. The CPU gauge shows total utilization and user-level load as a percentage. The RAM gauge shows both the percentage used and the actual gigabytes consumed out of total installed memory. These gauges refresh every 5 seconds, giving you a live pulse of how hard your network-attached storage is working. A green normal badge in the corner confirms everything is within safe operating parameters. Syno Manager is built to be personal. In settings, you can choose your theme. Auto follows your system setting. Dark gives you a beautiful AMOLED-friendly dark mode, and light mode is there if you prefer it. Dashboard categories lets you choose which monitoring cards to show or hide. If you don't use Docker or Surveillance Station, simply toggle them off for a cleaner dashboard. You can even customize the bottom navigation bar by reordering the tabs to match your workflow. Polling intervals are adjustable from 5 to 60 seconds, and temperature units can be switched between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Syno Manager covers virtually everything your network-attached storage can do. System health monitoring with CPU, RAM, and temperature tracking. Storage volume and individual drive monitoring with smart health status. Real-time network bandwidth charts. Docker container management with start, stop, and restart controls. Surveillance station camera previews with live HDMI streaming. Download station task monitoring. Hyper backup schedule and status tracking. UPS battery monitoring. Active backup for business device tracking. Shared folder management. User access control. System log viewing. Installed package management. And service status monitoring. All of this in one fast, beautiful, native Android app with zero cloud requirements. Your data stays on your network. That's Syno Manager, your Synology network-attached storage, reimagined for mobile. Download it free on Google Play and the App Store and start monitoring your network-attached storage the way it deserves. Built by Mayara Hub Technologies. Thank you for watching.